If I could, I would, but it ain't cause I can't, nigga gang. Bitch, I be my meat, give a fuck about what you think. I know all up in my sheets, bitch, my swag is so complete.
Today, I am thrilled to share with you the newest iPhone. This is iPhone 11, the next generation of iPhone, and it is jam-packed with great new capabilities and an incredible new design.
iPhone 11 has a beautiful anodized aluminum and glass design. iPhone 11 comes in 6 new colors with an all-new purple, white, yellow, green, black, and product red. It has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display with True Tone, wide color, tap to wake, and haptic touch in even more places with iOS 13, like contextual menus. And now we have spatial audio, which provides an immersive theater-like experience by creating a sound field around you using an Apple-designed virtualizer. We have an amazing dual camera system with an all-new wide camera, with a new sensor with 100% focus pixels for faster autofocus, 3 times faster in low light. And we have a new ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. This will let you capture way more in your photos and videos. Because now you can take a wide camera shot like this, but switch to the ultra-wide. This is doing an optical zoom out 2x, so you can capture way more without moving. So now when you're taking a wide camera shot, you'll see our new immersive camera interface that lets you see outside the frame, hinting at a bigger shot. Then you can simply tap to switch to the ultra-wide, revealing more of your scene. And iPhone 11 has this wide-angle camera, so you can take these beautiful wide shots of portraits for people. But now with 2 cameras, we have stereoscopic depth. So now you can also take portraits of your favorite pets. Let's talk about night mode. This is for those very low-light environments, like outdoors at night or inside a dimly lit restaurant. And night mode comes on automatically when it's dark enough to brighten photos and reduce noise. Here's an image with night mode turned off. Here it is with night mode turned on. So when taking video, you can easily tap to switch to the ultra-wide camera to capture even more in your scene. You can also use the zoom wheel to just transition easily between the 2 cameras. We support 4K resolution up to 60 frames per second, slow-mo, time-lapse, cinematic video stabilization, and now extended dynamic range at 4K up to 60 frames per second. And this is across both cameras, which is pretty cool. We also wanted to make it easier for you to take a quick video with Quick Take. Simply tap and hold the shutter button to record a video. You can do that without changing frames. We've also updated our front TrueDepth camera to a wider 12-megapixel sensor. So now you can still take your 7-megapixel selfies as you normally would, but simply rotate to landscape to capture even more people using that wider sensor. Also on the front camera, we've added 4K video with extended dynamic range up to 30 frames per second. And you can also capture on the front at 4K 60 as well. Now we've also added slow motion video to the front camera for the first time. Well, now we're introducing the A13 Bionic, the next generation of our industry-leading chip. With the iPhone XR's A12 Bionic chip, it still leads the pack in terms of the latest smartphones and chips. Well, the A13 Bionic is just going to extend that lead even further. The A13 is the fastest CPU ever in a smartphone. So battery, we know that battery life is really important to customers. It'll still have an hour more than battery than in your iPhone XR. The advances in iPhone 11 really touch areas that customers experience every day. This is innovation that matters. Powerful dual camera system, night mode, and things we didn't even have time to talk about, like faster Face ID, water and dust resistance, wireless charging, Wi-Fi 6, and more. So we're really excited to offer iPhone 11 at just $699.
You can pre-order all of them starting this Friday at a new time, 5 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. They'll all start shipping on September 20th.
Why self-life? We got London on the track.